This is David, and here is David's family. Like many of us, David wants a better life for his family and wants his children to live in a cleaner environment. Breathing better air is why David chose to drive an electric vehicle. Lower CO2 emissions and maintenance costs mean that David's family can support sustainable values while saving money. This weekend, David's daughter is really looking forward to visiting the local zoo. With an Ensto EV charging station installed at the zoo's car park, David can easily charge his electric vehicle while he spends the day watching the giraffes with his family. Giraffes are awesome. Meanwhile, the car park operator is remotely managing his EV infrastructure. He is able to easily integrate the Ensto chargers into his own existing payment system, so that the users get a single point of contact for both parking and charging. Using an Ensto EV charger, David gets the fastest optimal charge for his EV with the lowest energy cost. This means that David is able to focus on his family, knowing that his EV is fully charged for their drive back home.